The Statistics Center is crucial to figure out the performance of your trading system. The Stat Center can be opened directly from the account history by right-clicking on it or from the Statistics menu. You can analyze the reliability of the current backtest or import the trades from various external sources, like MetaTrader statements, CSV files, or Oanda accounts. If you want to merge different statements, you can do it from the Tools menu. Now, let's review the informations provided by the Statistics Center module. First, the Overview tab gives you an overall assessment of the trading system. Here, you can quickly check the strengths and weaknesses of track record by displaying the performance over time, the win ratio, the trade counts, the balance, the drawdowns, and so on. Different charts let you see the past performance of your trading strategy. The returns over month are useful to see the bad period of times and the expected growth. In the Overall Stats tab, you can analyze deeply the reliability of your trading strategy. Advanced stats are displayed and organized by category related to the winners and losers, the returns over time, and important ratios. All the detailed explanations about these indicators and their calculation are available on the Naked Markets wiki. The Symbols Analysis tab gives you performance details according to the symbols and the orders type. Thus, you can check if some symbols are underperforming compared to the others. The Timing Analysis tab allows you to see the past performance related to the hours of the day, the days of the week, and even the month of the year. By displaying the winners and losers trades, you can easily see if some period of times are better than others. The duration graph shows the duration of each trades with their growth and their ticket number. The Risk Analysis tab gives some information about the risk of ruin of the audited system. You can see the probability to lose money depending on the number of consecutive losing trades. The MAE and MFE indicators are very handy to verify that the system is not underperforming. The maximum adverse excursion and maximum favorable excursion values provide the potential of each trades to check if the take profit could be widened or the stop loss tightened, as an example. The Trades List tab displays every trade of the statement, with all their properties, like the ticket number, the type, the open time, the open price, the growth, and so on. The ticket number can be used to identify a specific trade, noticed on the previous panes. Finally, the Monte Carlo simulation evaluates the robustness of your trading system. By running the same simulation 100 or 1,000 times and changing only minor parameters, you can check if the system collapses or performs well. You can shuffle the trades order, skip random positions, and randomize the slippage. This can help to identify strategies which are spread and slippage sensitive, as an example. The Statistics pane provides the average expected drawdowns with the worst one encountered during all the simulations. You can click on every simulation to highlight the corresponding chart. This concludes the overview of this crucial tool, the Statistics Center.